Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of QHHK Steel Structures. Today, we share one of the key installation steps, waterproof accessories installation. Place the internal angled component horizontally, drill holes and insert rivets to connect the internal angle and the wall. Align overlapping joints to ensure waterproofing and aesthetics. Drill evenly spaced holes and insert rivets to connect corner component to the wall. Glue the joints of walls and roofs, and glue the internal corner components. Punch holes and use blind rivet to secure the internal corner fixtures. Use blind rivet to seal the nail holes left when hanging the sandwich panels. Arrange standard lines in advance to ensure alignment. Pre-processed component interfaces for easy installation. Use waterproof glue to seal seams and secure. Use blind rivet to secure the eaves edge components. The edge of the roof panel below the ridge cover is bent upward to form a water-retaining edge. Use foam sealant to fill gaps, seal waterproofly, and insulate thermally. Thank you for watching. Follow us for systematic updates on steel building installation. From anchor bolts to roof and wall panels, we will share the overall installation process.